Hello, welcome to this English learning video. My name is Anna. I am a beautiful woman. I am calm. I am confident. I live in New York, America. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. Please listen carefully. This lesson is for beginners. Let us start. Every day, I wake up early. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The alarm clock rings. I open my eyes slowly. I breathe deeply. I stretch my arms and legs. I feel relaxed. I smile. I get out of bed slowly. I make my bed. My room is clean and quiet. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I look in the mirror. I see my face. I feel thankful for a new day. I wash my face with cool water. The water feels fresh. I brush my teeth carefully. I rinse my mouth. My teeth feel clean and strong. I take a warm shower. The water flows gently. I relax my body. I feel clean and fresh. After the shower, I dry my body with a soft towel. I put on lotion. I take care of my skin. I get dressed. I wear comfortable clothes. I comb my hair slowly. I look neat and beautiful. Next, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen smells clean. I open the refrigerator. I prepare breakfast. I cook eggs in a pan. I toast bread. I cut some fruit. I make a cup of coffee. The coffee smells good. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I chew my food carefully. I enjoy every bite. I drink my coffee. It is warm and comforting. I feel ready for the day. At 8 o'clock in the morning, I get ready to leave my house. I take my bag. I check my phone. I lock the door. I walk outside. The air is fresh. The street is busy. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I sit down quietly. I look out the window. I see people, cars, and buildings. After some time, I arrive at work. I work in an office. I like my job. I say hello to my coworkers. They smile at me. I smile back. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I read my emails carefully. I write messages. I answer questions. I focus on my work. I help other people. I feel useful. I feel proud of myself. At 12:30 in the afternoon, I take a lunch break. I eat lunch with my friends. We sit together. We talk and laugh. I eat rice and vegetables. The food is healthy. I drink cold water. After lunch, I feel full and relaxed. I return to work. I finish my tasks. I check my work again. The afternoon passes slowly. The workday ends. At 5 o'clock in the evening, I leave my office. I go back home. I feel a little tired, but I feel happy. I open the door. I enter my home. At home, I change my clothes. I wash my hands. I sit down and relax. I read a book. I listen to soft music. I rest my body and mind. In the evening, I cook dinner. I cut vegetables carefully. I cook soup. The food smells delicious. At 7 o'clock, I eat dinner. I eat slowly and calmly. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I watch TV for a short time. I talk with my family. We share our day. We laugh together. At 10 o'clock at night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes. I feel peaceful. I fall asleep easily. This is my daily routine. Thank you for listening to this English lesson. I hope this helped you learn English. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.